Okay everyone, before we start, I'll recommend you guys to watch these videos first. If you're ready, let's get into it. There's a clue in my previous videos. The clue is about P, or the pressure here can represent thermodynamic pressure or hydrostatic pressure, which for thermodynamics pressure relate to heat, temperature, and etc. But until now, we neglect about temperature, heat, or some kind about it. So here's the new question and new point of view. What fundamental or fundamentals that build about temperature or everything about it? This will open us to thermodynamics that explain about heat, temperature, energy, and many things surrounded. Anyway, the answer of this question, those thermodynamic pressure and etc. built by thermodynamic law. Until now, there is 4 thermodynamics law, that is Zeroth law, first law, second law, and third law. For this video, we will discuss about Zeroth law. You may be asking, why is Zeroth law? Because in history, the first law found first, then Zeroth law. But Zeroth law here is fundamental than the first. So by order of law in physics, just like Newton's first law that explained inertia and then second law that generalized and so on, here in thermodynamics, there is Zeroth law that fundamental than it first. Why? Let me explain. Imagine a system just like this illustration, A, B, C, with temperature as TA, TB, and TC. So by Zeroth law, if A has thermodynamic equilibrium with B and so on for P to C, then A has thermodynamics equilibrium to C too. Or in mathematics, if A equilibrium proportional or something like that to C, then A equilibrium to B and B equilibrium to C. These two facts coexist. So, in conclusion, by mathematical notation, in total system thermodynamics equilibrium, ABC has thermodynamic equilibrium, all of them. Then, A equilibrium to A itself, A equilibrium to B, then B equilibrium to C, then A equilibrium to C, B equilibrium to itself, C to itself, B to A, then C to B, and the last one, C to A. Those relations create in mathematics called equivalence relation, that the consequence of this equivalence relation is temperature A has same value as temperature B, that same value again to temperature C as consequence of Zeroth law. And by this equivalence relation, we can build a set that equivalence class to TA is about all combination of T, that is T equals to TA, or all system that has equivalence relation or thermodynamics equilibrium to TA. And here, in this system, we know that there is TP and TC as the consequence of Zeroth law before. And that's how Zeroth law in mathematical notation. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please drop comment below. And that's it. See you later.